bottles are now extensively utilized into a plastic container that for the packaging of mineral water, carbonated drinks, and many others. There are numerous advantages of the PET bottle, such as the lightweight, high recyclability, and also the excellent durability of the PET bottle. Therefore, it is a preferred option for the manufacturer to be used. However, there are also disadvantages of the PET bottle, which it will bring a big impact to the environment. Therefore, our team now is to invent a machine that can help to cut the PET bottle into strips and wind it up into a filament before it can be molded into a standard 3D filament. The aim of this machine is to reduce the user to purchase some expensive filament outside, and also it can reduce the plastic waste. The user of this machine can be a designer, the makers, or the enthusiast. The design aim of this stripping and winding machine is to help the user cut the PET bottle within a constant width and to wind up the strip into the cartridge for neatly storage. Other than that, the ergonomics of this machine will also take in consideration, such as the size of the machine will be suitable enough to put in any workplace, and the light weight of this machine will make it to become more portable. Other than that, the operation of this machine will be very easy to make the user to operate it very easily and to make it user friendly. Lastly, the machine will be environmental friendly because it doesn't contain any chemical parts or sharp edges that will harm the user physically or mentally.
There is some useful features that can be found in our PET bottle stripping and winding machine. First of all, let's take a look at this strip guider. The strip guider is used to avoid the strip tangling and coiling up during the process of cutting. Next, this is the bottle guider. It is attached with the blade. It can allow the bottle cut into strip within the constant width. Next, this is a long PVC rod to guide the bottle and avoid it moving in translation motion during process of cutting. In the black box, we can see that there is 4 elements, which is conveyor system, battery holder, and motor. The switch is placed beside of the black box in order to allow the user to switch on and off the circuit conveniently. Next, our design is mainly use the combination of black color with the emblems of green and yellow in parts in order to give a non-homogeneous appearance and a better look. Next, I would like to pass my baton to next member to explain more about how it works.
Hello everyone, now I will show about how the product works.
Before we start to use the stripping and winding machine, we need to cut the bottom of the bottle and cut the strip at the end of the bottle. Next, we need to insert the bottle to the machine while the bottle will go through the rod and the strip will go through the bottle guider with blade. As you can see, there is a blade there to cut the bottle. So when the bottle goes through the blade, the bottle will become stripped as shown in the video. The strip will go through the strip guider and towards the cartridge. And the strip will wind at the cartridge when the machine is on. So when we turn on the switch of the machine, the cartridge will start to rotate and wind the strip. And the cartridge will give a pulling force to pull the bottle go through the blade. So there will be a video later to show on how the user use it when he need to cut a strip from the bottle.
just now, we have shown a video about how the product works. So I will pass to our next member to tell us about the conclusion of the product and also the suggestion of the product.
Okay, in summary, the PET bottle stripping and winding machine is a simple device to cut the bottle into a strip and store it in a cartridge. The time taken for fully cut out the bottle is approximately 3 minutes. This is a functional and charming device that helps the 3D printer user to reduce the cost in purchasing the filament in a long term. Hence, for suggestion, we would like to suggest to replace our current motor to a more powerful motor in order to enhance the torque of the motor in cutting out the bottle easier. It might shorten our time and increase the efficiency too. Last but not least, we would like to thank our lecturer, Dr. Hairul, with his advice and assistance throughout the major project. That's all for us. Thank you for watching.